Hey, welcome back, guys. In this video, we're going to solve ratio problems using double number lines. Nikolai knows that in his school, 2 out of every 55 students have red hair. If there are 440 students at Nikolai's school, how many students have red hair? So you don't technically have to have a double number line. It's just a preference, and I do think it helps kids keep organized. So first we have to figure out our ratio. So we're talking red hair students to total. So my ratio is 2 out of 55. Now what we want to do is how many red hair students out of 440. So that's kind of a ways. So I'm going to put it over here at the end of the number line. And if you don't have a number line, you just set it up as a table. That works too. So we're looking at if there's a direct relationship between 55 and 440. So we're trying to get to 440. So let's try different ways. So I will double or scale 2 and 55 by 2. So this becomes 4 and this becomes 110. I'm still not to 440, so I will scale it again. I can go back to the original 2 and 55, or as what I'm doing is I'm going to 4 and 110. So if I scale 4 by 2, and to keep my ratios equivalent, didn't write my 2 here, I would scale 110 by 2. Okay, so this becomes 8, and then this becomes 220. Now I can see there's a direct relationship between 220 and 440. So if I scale 220 by 2, meaning I double it, then I would also double or scale my 8 by 2, and I would end up with 16. This is one strategy. You can go from 55 to 440, or you could keep scaling just to make it user-friendly. It's just a preference. All right, let's do one more. Jamie's lemonade recipe calls for 2 lemons and 4 cups of water. She decided to make a large batch of this lemonade using 18 cups of water. How many lemons will she need to use? So our ratio is lemons to water. All right, so our ratio is 2 lemons to 4 cups of water. That's not bad, but I want to get to 18 cups of water. It's getting bigger, so you're going to be multiplying. There's a couple of ways to do it. You can always scale up, or you could scale down. So I am going to scale down, meaning divide both by 2 or multiply by half. I end up with 1 to 2. Now that helps me see a direct relationship from 2 to 18. Now you can go from 4 to 18. I just feel like it'd be a little more work. And this way, 2 scaled by 9, there's a direct relationship. 2 times 9 is 18. So that means I'll scale 1 by 9, and I end up with 9 lemons. So hopefully this helped. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.